Hey everyone, it's 8:57 p.m. on Saturday, September 14th, 2024, and right here is one of my most recent acquisitions, an Emerson Hardwood in the cherrywood finish from the early 2000s, I believe. And I got this at Fanimation amongst a whole plethora of other fans. And this is one of my dream fans when I was in high school, because I had a brochure from that period, circa 2001, and this fan was featured in it, along with the Provence, which I now have, and I have a couple derbies as well. And this is not the K55 stack motor Emerson. This is the direct drive, and they're not really that easy to find. Somewhat rare nowadays. And it was mostly new in the box. I mean, whoever had before me got brand new. Now I have it, so this is money well spent. Let's take a look around, shall we? I love those vents. There's a plain sideband, top of the motor, canopy. I didn't cut the wires because, who knows, maybe I find a place that has a vaulted ceiling, I can hang it there and I'll go right with it. It goes a lot with my furniture, but unfortunately I can't put it there because ceilings are kind of low. But let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There we go. It's got there's the Emerson logo right there. Somewhere around there is a reverse switch, if you can see it. Got a nice high gloss sheen. The blades they copied Casablanca with these blades. As you can see, those rounded tip that was most commonly found on late 80s to early 90s Casablancas. And all right, let's rev it up first on low. As you can see, I decided to rev up the background fan, save for the Casablanca Four Seasons. Medium. Starting to feel a little breeze on medium. It's good if you want a slight breeze, but you don't want a tornado. The pull chain matches the blades and motor housing pretty well. Forgot to show that, but anyway, let's bump it up to high, shall we? Puts out a decent amount of air on high, not as much as you'd expect from a K55 stack motor Emerson, but it's pretty good for what it is. It's on par with a non-original Hunter, like the one over there, which I also got a Fanimation, but that's another story. All right, now we'll do spin down. I always wanted to own one of these cherry wood Emerson hardwoods, and now I've achieved that goal. I don't know if I'll keep the light kit on it, but I'll depends on where I hang it next, but I'm definitely going to hang on to this fan. This is truly a gem. Okay, fan has ceased operation. One thing I want to show you is the, notice how the blade arms, they somewhat interlock with one another. That was a feature that Emerson did on some of their mid to higher end fans in the late 90s to early 2000s. They tend to stray away from the more generic blade arms that you find on like 90s premiums and legends. Anyway, folks, there it is. An Emerson hardwood in cherry wood from the 2000s. This concludes our broadcast today. Thank you for watching. More to come.